damn, pick it up, you. They told me that I wouldn't do shit, and that I wouldn't make it. I just smiled and grabbed my nuts, fuck 'em. Sometimes you lose it. Cause when I realized I was the only one that would ever fuck up what I get, I never look back and I told my demo everywhere I went, you. I was kicked down, then kicked again, till I was kicking in every knocking hinge. Dropped my friends, trying to hold me back so I could hit the road and rock again. And there they are, but I'm standing on this fucking stage.